Well, good morning. Francis here once again with the Texas Roadrunner channel. And did you guys get real excited about the bloody red moon eclipse last night? Well, here's how excited I was. So, I got on the internet to learn more about it, even found a site that told me the time when it would happen in my area. I know, I missed my Sunday funnies yesterday, so I'm making it up now. Because, you know me. I think that's my favorite. My friend Marina, who lives in Houston, captured this image, but I think it's only reddish because of the Houston pollution. Even by Texas standards, it was a cold Sunday night, so I put on my warm fuzzy socks and of course my shoes to go along with it. Was I ready? I don't know. This is my friend Jennifer. She's out in the hill country, but she was all bundled up, and she's a Yankee. First, I would try out my iPhone. Of course, I went outside finally, and well, the first one was just out of focus, right? Next one was in focus, but can you even see it? I feel your pain, buddy. I feel your pain. Well, after working with my iPhone with poor results, I knew my GoPro 4 would be even worthless to try. So, I also tried my Canon G7X. And those results suck too. I did try my Sony AX100 video camera, but unfortunately, I had poor results with that too. So, I had an idea. I found some live streams of the eclipse, and I was able to capture a few of those images on screen. But you know what? That wasn't good enough for me. Okay, I got a new plan of action here. I thought I'd bring out the old Canon EOS 80D with a big time telephoto lens. And well, here are my results. Still disappointing. I really had a hard time focusing. Uh-oh, I guess I bumped the tripod. And I guess that's another bump. So I know I was a little disappointed. You know, with all that camera gear, you thought I could do better, right? I tried, guys, I tried. I guess I should have done what this guy did, right? So folks, until next time, y'all be safe out there and take care. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.